My name is Leona, and I am a survivor of childhood sexual violence. This is the reasons that this bill is needed that I will present in my opening statement to the Justice Committee this Tuesday, the 12th of May. My baby received a 17-year sentence for crimes against me. He had two similar convictions for two other children before me. This bill is centred on safety. We can't talk about safety without talking about the brutality of fear. The memory of his eyes staring at me as he raped me in a dark graveyard freezes my nervous system in a way that I hope none of you ever experience, and no child is built to cope with. Only by understanding that level of fear can you fully understand my need to feel safe from him now. Beyond the abuse, I had to survive a criminal justice process that requires you to relive it all. Moments that I'd spent years trying to forget, I had to repeatedly relive. I was an extremely unwell mum for those years with suicide attempts and hospitalizations when it all proved too much. The hardest part was the night before his sentence. I had to look my 10-year-old in the eyes and burden his little shoulders and his little world with the darkness of the rape of his mother before he read about it in the papers. That was the biggest cost of my decision to prosecute. I share this to give you a small insight into the price that survivors in Ireland already pay. I'm asking you to recognise that we've done enough by the end of a trial. Please let that be enough. Without a protection order, I dread the day this man is released. His eyes alone has the potential to bring me to my knees. Even in a high security prison, he couldn't be controlled, committing further violent crimes in prison. Yet I, the woman responsible for taking years of his freedom, am meant to feel safe from revenge when he's released soon. I accept even with this bill, it's too late for me now. In a couple of years, this dangerous, violent rapist that I punished gets to share the same streets as me and even stand right behind me in my local shop. I'm likely to return to wondering if at times I really see him in front of me or if it's my mind playing tricks on me again out of fear. His evil eyes will soon meet my petrified eyes, and there's nothing I can do. We survivors, we came forward to get monsters like him off the streets and to protect innocent children. Those are your children, your nieces, your nephews, and your grandchildren. We don't ask for thanks. We ask to feel safe after we put ourselves front row in their firing line by coming forward. I want to look survivors in the eye and tell them that this process is hard, but it's safe and it's fair. And this bill brings me closer to that. I ask you today, let me be the last person who feels I jeopardized my safety in order to bring a predator to justice. The little scared Leona in that graveyard, she's watching now and she's begging for the safety against him that she didn't get as a child. Current legislation simply isn't enough. The onus should not be on me to return to court, be re traumatized, and apply for protection. It must be proactive, not reactive. I've done enough. The onus should be on the justice system to protect me now and on you, the committee that oversee it. Your job is to make the justice system safe, fair, and right for all survivors. I've done my job, and it was a hard one. I ask you today, do yours and pass this bill in its entirety.